So I have taken now question number 4 from exercise 7.2. So the question says, find the ratio in which the line joining the points 3, minus 3, 10 and another point B, that is 6, minus 8, is divided by some point minus 1, 6. So this you have to find out here. Like at which ratio this point minus 1, 6 is dividing the line joining A and B, and the coordinates of A and B are given. So let's say it is dividing it in K ratio 1. Okay. Now, as you know the section formula, so we will use the section formula here as well. So what we will do here, we will use this, we will find out the K. Okay, so we know that K into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by K plus 1 will give us the same value, that is minus 1. So I'll just use this one, and from here we will get the value of K. As the coordinate of this point, let's say P, the coordinate of P is minus 1, the x coordinate is minus 1. So we will find out the value of x from the section formula. So we have to multiply 6 with K, and then after 1 we will multiply with minus 3 divided by, we need to add this K plus 1, and now here we have unknown value K. So now with this equation we can find out the value of K. So here I'll get 6K minus 3, and from here my 6 will be 6K plus K will be equals to minus 3. Okay, minus 3 will go to that side, so it will become plus 3 minus 1. So I'll get 7K equals to 2. So K from here, K will be 2 by 7. 2 by 7. So here we can say that this line is like P is dividing in 2:7. So that will be that. Now you can also check if this ratio is correct or not. What we will do, we will find out the coordinate P, the y coordinate from P. So if we know that the ratio is this one, so now we need to find out our, so this is our m1, this is our m2, and we have our y1 is 10 and y2 is minus 8. So we have the formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So we'll just put this value here and let's see what we are getting here. So m1 is 2 into minus 8 plus 10 into 7 divided by, we have 2 plus 7. So let's see what we will get here. So we'll get minus 16 plus 70 divided by 9. Let's see what we'll get here after solving this. So here I'll get 54, and 54 divided by 9 will give us 6. So here you can see the coordinate that is given in this is also 6. Okay, so this is also 6, so y equals to 6. That means our answer is correct. So the answer, the required ratio will be 2:7. This is another question based on the same concept that we have used in question number 4. So here you have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining A having the coordinates 1, minus 5 with B, that is having coordinates minus 4 and 5, is divided by the x-axis. So if any line is divided by x-axis, you can see this is our coordinate axis. If any line is divided by x-axis, so you can see the coordinates of that point will be x, 0. Okay, so that means this line is divided by x-axis and the coordinate of that point will be x, 0. So here you can see you have the y coordinate but you don't have the x coordinate. So now what we will do here, we need to find out the ratio and also we need to find out this point. So to find out this ratio, let's say we have y, so y is 0, and now we will use the same formula. y1 is given minus 5, y2 is given 5, and then m1 is k and m2 is 1. So here we will use the formula m1 into y2, that is 5 into k plus m2 into y1 divided by k plus 1. So from here we will get the ratio. So here you will get 5k minus 5 equals to 0. So k will be 1:1. So here the value of k is 1. That means the required ratio will be 1:1. Or you can say that x-axis, the point on x-axis will be the midpoint. So we can write here required ratio is equals to 1:1. Now let's find out the x. So now we can find out x. So x will be the midpoint. M1 is also 1 and M2 is also 1. So simply what you can do, you just take x1 plus x2 divided by 2 will give you the result. So here we will get minus 3 by 2. So the required point will be how much? Minus 3, 0. So you can write required points on x-axis is equals to minus 3 by 2, 0. So that will be your answer.